the plan is put the tarp out first. This tarp's roughly the same size as the paint booth I got, I believe. So we'll get this laid out. So now I'm gonna work on this paint booth. This sucker is supposed to be huge. I want to say it's 33 by 20, by 14 feet tall. Ugh. I'm sure that it's never going back in this bag once I inflate this sucker. Whew. I think it's about 150 pounds. Not sure. Probably won't ever go back in here. It does fit in here though. Oh, I think there's some vents somewhere on the side that you need to zip up to inflate it faster. I don't see either one. So we're gonna put some air in this thing and see if we can find it that way. Once it gets a little air in it, I should be able to move it around to where it needs to be. All right, this is the stronger of the two blowers. So it is gonna go for the bigger tube that does the inflation. One does the air circulation, one does the inflation. So once I get a little bit of air in this, I should be able to find the vents that need to be closed to make it airtight. And it should be able to center it up a little better on the tarp is the plan. Here's one of them. All right, second attempt. There may be still one more vent somewhere on this. I don't know.